Hello guys, thanks very much for joining me on the daily analysis for the 10th of June 2025. Now with what we're going to look at today, I think we're not going to spend much time here just because everything that we talked about in the weekly outlook is what is playing out and has not given us any major new change or new entries for us to look at. From our weekly outlook, we were looking at price touching down at this particular zone, which is our 32.95 zone, for us to take a buy trade to the upside. And as we can see, it has played along very well as we expected. Now, in buying, we were also looking at price breaking above our 33.30, 33.40 zone, either with a 4-hour candle or the daily candle, in order for us to keep buying or shift the market to the upside for our first intended target of 34.35. But as we can see, price currently reacting at this particular zone. If price gives us sell signal, as it has given us a sell signal, but if it keeps giving us a sell signal, then what we need to do is to short the market back into our entry point, get possible buy entries to shift the market to the upside. If we sell to that particular zone and then get a buy confirmation to the top, then it means that price will be acting on a double bottom. Price will be using a double bottom for a possible push to the upside. And if that also happens, then it means that we would be having a slight head and shoulder pattern around this area to push price to the upside. So with these things coming together to give us more buy confirmations, what I'm looking out for is either price closes above this in order for us to take our buy to the upside, or once it gives an extra sell confirmation, we take the market back to our entry point here, which is our 32.95 zone. We get our buy confirmations, and then we look forward for price to break the 33.30, 33.40 zone for us to continue with our buy to our intended take profit zone. So as you can see, nothing has changed. Price just playing around or going according to what we have discussed. And I'm still holding on to our possible plan B. Should price refuse or not give us a buy confirmation here, but rather decides to break below it, then it means that once price breaks below it, we take a sell back to this buy zone, which is coming from the weekly time frame. So once we are bullish, we look for buying opportunities from this particular zone, since this is our last buy zone for us to continue with the bullish trend, which is our 32.40 zone. Once we get our confirmation, we need a break above this, to finally get us to our destination. So we still look at what the day has for us, and then the week has for us. Our weekly target, definitely we know we are heading towards 34.35. But let's see what market has for us today, tomorrow, and the days ahead. So for today, the entries I'm looking at is 33.30 zone. If should price break above it, we take buying opportunities from that particular zone, which is this zone. Should price fail to break above it, then it means we take selling opportunities from that zone back into our 32.95 zone, where we look for further buying opportunities. Should it fail us, then we take selling opportunities back to this particular zone, which is our 32.40 zone, before we ride it to the upside. So we leave market to play out, and then we just follow the reactions or whatever price is communicating to us to also benefit from the market. If you keep enjoying my analysis, please do well to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell so you'll be the first to get notified anytime I drop any new content concerning gold. Also remember to share the channel link with your friends. Talk to them about the Synaforex brand. So together we would all learn and become that profitable trader that we are looking for. Also check through the link in the description. Check the description for the link to my Telegram channel where I share my daily trade setup for all of us to benefit from. Thank you and stay blessed.